Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this video, you will learn how to add barcode to specific place in a PDF document using PDF.co and Zapier. We provide a link of the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more info. We will be using this sample PDF document to demonstrate how to add a barcode to a specific area within it. So let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. Next, let's proceed to the action step, and select the PDF.co app. And choose the PDF filler option so we can add barcode in a specific place of the PDF document. Let's set up the configuration. First, input the directly URL of your source file. If you're using a file instead of URL, you can use the PDF.co file storage to convert your file into a URL that exclusively use only for PDF.co. Next, input the X and Y coordinates, along with the range of pages for the PDF document. Additionally, include the direct URL of your barcode. We use QR code format for this demonstration. You can easily obtain the coordinates of the PDF document using the PDF.co PDF Edit Add helper, and we have provided a link in the description box below for your convenience. Then specify a name for your output file. After adding all the details in the configuration, let's test the action to see the result. The test was successful and returned a temporary URL. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here's the PDF document in which we have successfully added a QR code to a specific area using PDF.co and Zapier. We have a wide range of tutorials available on our PDF.co website. You can also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.